Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's take a look at outside multiplication and kind of how it can be useful. So let's suppose that we have a group, Z mod 7Z. This group has a nice outside multiplication by a group, Z mod 14Z. And this is because 14 or anything in 14Z can be thought of as 0 over here. So hence we have a nice outside multiplication. How is this useful? Well, let's let things in here be considered with a single bar. Suppose I have something like 9, 9 bar, which is actually in 7, I guess that would be a simpler representative, would be 2. All right, so let's take 2, for instance, and think of this as being like a message in here. Well, let's encrypt this message. Change it by using outside multiplication. Kind of a nice way of picturing outside multiplication is via kind of a cryptography type analogy. We encrypt something over here by applying an outside multiplication to it. So let's suppose we want to encrypt this by outside multiplying by 3. And things in here, let's use double bars for. Outside multiply. Now the outside multiplication means that this actually can just plop into the group, this one, so it becomes 3 single bar times 2 bar, and we see that the encryption is simply 6 bar, which is -1 bar mod 7. Okay. Great. Now, what if we want to decrypt? Well, notice that 3 double bar has an inverse, mod 14, since it shares no common factors with 14. Its inverse is 5. You can check it. 3 times 5 is 15, which is 1 more than 14. Hence, these invert each other via multiplication. So take this message that's been encrypted and we can decrypt it, -1, and decrypt it by multiplying by 5 double bar, and we end up getting 5 bar times -1 bar, which is -5 bar, which is 2 bar. Hey, that's what we started with. So this is kind of the idea. Outside multiplication allows us to have encryptors and decryptors on our particular group. Thanks for watching.